Good evening, people on YouTube, and welcome back to William in Japan. Today, you join me at the foothills of Yabitsu Toge, the Yabitsu mountain pass, which is historically a battleground during the Sengoku Jidai, the Warring States period, where the Takeda family fought. And because of that little dark history, there is a folklore saying that if you don't bring food and tribute when you pass this mountain on foot, the spirits of the dead that died of hunger during the battle will haunt you and cause you to be hungry, and you will die of hunger as well. Well, anyways, spooky stories aside, since we are on the motorcycle, not on foot anyways, so what's so special about the Yabitsu mountain pass? Well, first of all, it is extremely close to Tokyo again, which means a lot of riders love this road because it is, as you've seen on Google, it's a twisty mountain pass. But unfortunately, now it is still 2 lanes, will become 1 lane very, very soon. It connects Hadano City to the Miyagase Reservoir, Lake Miyagase, which provides most of the drinking water for Tokyo and Kanagawa. Oh, red light. Okay. Oh, where was I? Okay, provides the drinking water for the Kanto region, basically, southern Kanto at least. And up around there, around Miyagase Reservoir, there are tons of these twisty roads. And the Yabitsu Toge, the Yabitsu mountain pass, is one of the popular roads that people come here to have some fun on their bikes. Anywho, since we are still in Hadano City, as you can see, we are still in the suburban area. Lots of people and lots of houses. But as we climb, as the temperature grows cooler, it will completely turn into a proper mountain pass with very, very small roads, tight corners, and lots of fun. Oh, nice. Nice. And hopefully we won't have that much traffic as well. Well, it's 12 degrees right now. We have double digits. I bet when we head into those mountains, it'll be in single digits. And I'm not sure if the roads are clean enough for us to push at a higher pace. So we'll wait and see. And one more thing. Unfortunately, due to heavy rainfall this autumn and from the typhoon from this year and last year, Yabitsu mountain pass is not fully rideable all the way up to Miyagase Reservoir right now. We can head to the proper Miyagase Pass, Yabitsu Pass, the parking lot over there, that won't be a problem. But further down the road, heading toward into the mountains, there is a cutoff and it has been sealed for winter. So it might be a shorter ride than we expected today, but we will go as far as we can. Alright then, looks like we have 8 kilometers of fun twisties. I am in touring mode. Shock! The Ducati Sport bike has a touring mode. As I mentioned, this is a touring bike in disguise. My heated grips are on. I have my Kushitani varsity gloves, proper winter gloves. and hope we can tackle this road without getting us fingertips frozen. But first of all, let's try to pass this little K car if we have the chance. Yellow lines in the middle, so no passing at the moment. Oh, he's letting us through. Oh, they're just turning off. Oh well, let's go. As you can see, indeed, the back part of this road has been sealed off, as written on the sign over there. So let's go. This is now the proper Yabitsu mountain pass. I hate these kind of weird pattern on those roads they cut to stop them from freezing, but it really gives you a weird feel on the front of your bike, especially when it's wet. Those circular ones aren't that bad, but these ones, God, I hate these ones. The one with the vertical lines, God, they feel so weird when you ride over them. It's not like you're going to fall, but it definitely feels like you're going to fall anytime. Just gives you a wobbly feeling, although, as you can see, the front end is definitely not wobbling. Just such a weird sensation. The road sure looks clean at the moment, but if we have oncoming traffic, we should really be careful, especially when going into these blind curves. Okay so far. Bit of sunlight in our eyes, still manageable. Keep the bike smooth, slow down in these corners. I don't want to see a Prius in front of my face when we head through these corners. So a lot of Japanese riders say you don't need a motorcycle over 400 cc's here, because most Japanese roads are like this, very tight, very small, and you have all these kind of tight blind corners. So rather than a proper big bike or even a leader bike, you should have something light and flickable. And 400 cc's gives you that flickability. It also gives you, oh, is that ice? Oh, that's freaking ice. Wow, okay. Surely was below 0 degrees in the evening then, I bet. Let's watch out. Okay, I digress. Where was I? Yes, Japanese riders say that since you have the flickability when you ride a 400cc motorcycle, you have enough power to go on Japanese highways. So 400cc is all you need in Japan. I tend not to agree with that, especially if you are doing 2-up riding. Yes, 100 horsepower, 150, even 200 horsepower is too much for these roads, of course. But please remember, modern motorcycles has been shifting away from 4 cylinders, those traditional high revving motorcycles that you need to rev in order to extract their power. Modern bikes are all parallel twins. Well, at least most of them are twins, parallel or not. They have very, very adequate torque down low. So if you get, let's say, my bike, yes, it only has 110 horsepower, but the torque figures 98 newton meters, 69 foot-pounds of torque. It's actually pretty great for these kind of roads. Since they're twin cylinders, it's not heavy at all. So it has a flickability. Of course, not a flickability of a, let's say, a sub 190 kilogram bike, but it's still manageable, definitely. All right, let's watch out. No cars incoming. Great. It has the flexibility, and it has the torque to go through these corners without shifting like a maniac. So having higher CC motorcycles with good old bottom end torque and mid-range actually suits the Japanese riding style very, very well, at least in my opinion. Nobody's going to go down these kind of roads at blistering speeds. At least at least those don't without a death wish. So yeah, I think getting this bike, especially after living with the Super Sport for almost 2 years. Oh wait, already 2 years, I think. Oh wait, let me think about it. No, not 2 years yet. 1 and 6 months at the moment. Yes, 1 year and 6 months living with the Super Sport. I found out it suits Japanese roads very, very well. All right, let's find a chance to pass this truck. A lot of road work being done before winter. Well, it is winter now, but at least without snow yet. So look at that view, guys. Gonna let me through, bro? Can't see anything. Oh, thank you, sir. Let's go, guys. Pick up the speed. Yeah, I understand why so much people likes this road. Although it is definitely not the safest road, but I can see this road, even on weekends, there won't be a lot of traffic, and you can definitely have fun very close to your home when you live in Tokyo. Guess the only risks are animals and drivers that can't keep to their side of the lane. Okay, lots of foliage here. Let's watch out. Oh, it is definitely getting tight around here. Two cars passing each other on this road will definitely be hard. And we have cyclists. Let's watch out. There he is. A bit wider here. We have snow, guys. We actually have snow. Wow. First ice and now snow. Definitely is getting chilly in around Tokyo. Let's be a bit more careful when we're on the turns. Make sure everything is nice and dry. It's nice at least we still all have sunlight around these corners. So even though if they are damp, ice and snow should have melted already. Looks good here. Okay, let's watch out in the shady areas. Okay. Looks okay. Right, no car incoming. Okay, we have a car. Let's slow down, see where they are. Okay. More snow. Let's watch out. It's definitely getting chillier. Oh, okay, we have some ice over there. Be careful when we come down. Yep. Okay, we're at the top of the Yabitsu mountain pass. And looks like nothing is open. 11 kilometers ahead, this road is closed due to construction. We are here. What do you think, guys? It's definitely getting a bit more chilly down there. I think we should call it a day. Make a quick turn. Hi. あ、ちょっとわかんないです。すいません。申し訳ないです。No, Grandpa here is actually looking for some kind of fountain water, which I have no idea where it is. Anyway, guys, as you can see, the deeper we head into the mountain, the more the more snow we get. I am calling it off for today. So thanks for joining me to the Yabitsu mountain pass. Enjoy the view. Oh yes, and of course, early Happy New Year, happy holidays, and a great time. Wish you guys all a great time with your families. This has been William. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time. Bye bye.